Hi, I'm Dave Morgan, the HVAC instructor at Lorain County JVS. The junior program, we start off with schematic reading and basic electrical wiring. And then we move into motors and starting components. And then we move into gas furnaces. And then after gas furnaces, they'll be doing brazing, some black pipe threading. They work with PVC, some PEX tubing. And then we start to prepare for the EPA certification. So they'll start doing some recovery and charging on AC units. The senior year focus is more on sheet metal design and layout, more furnace troubleshooting, AC troubleshooting. We get just more in depth in things as the year progresses, and then we'll usually work into heat pumps and electric furnaces. At the end of their junior year, we have an internship program that's a paid position that they work with companies in Lorain County, Cuyahoga County, Ashland, Erie, Huron, all over the place. The students are an entry level, either service tech or an installer. It's more of a mentoring program, so they're not really there to start running jobs. They're there to learn on the job and to actually increase their troubleshooting skills and all their HVAC skills in general. So the students leave the program with an OSHA 10-hour card, usually their junior year before they start working as an intern. And they may have their universal before they're seniors. If not, before they go back out to work, I encourage them to get their universal certification for working with refrigerants.
My name is Nathan Keller. I'm a senior from Midview High School in the heating and air conditioning program at the JVS. My dad, he did air conditioning and heating when he was younger. He also went to a trade school, and I found a liking in the trade, so that's what determined it for me. Yeah. I have a job already doing. It's servicing commercial and industrial boilers for energy control. We do annual inspections, repairs. We install at new facilities. Tear downs, we do everything. I learned the pipe fitting skills and just basic using screwdrivers and how to use tools. Yeah, I would say that it prepared me for the job, yes. From my summer internship, I learned how to thread pipe with the automatic pipe threader, electric pipe threader. I learned how to repair doors. I learned how to pour concrete into doors. Learned how to use a jackhammer. I'd definitely tell them to come check it out. It's definitely a good start. It could be a good start to your life, and you could get a head start on everybody else that's going to college, and your life will be already started as soon as you graduate. So
the students that are successful in this program come here with a positive attitude, willing to learn new ideas, because everything we do in here is usually new to them. There's struggles along the way, that's like anything, but they need to learn to work through those troubles and the struggles, and it's just part of brainstorming as they're moving forward. So it's a great career path for the kid that's willing to put in the effort.
Come to JVS.